In this video, I will show you how to reinstall TikTok on your iPhone. Alright, so to reinstall TikTok on your iPhone, you can choose what to use. You can choose to use the App Store if you want, or if you want, you can then choose to use Chrome browser. Okay, so for my case, I think I'll not use this App Store over here. I'll use the Chrome browser as it's easy. So you open up your Chrome browser, and then once you open up the Chrome browser, you can come to search bar and then search for download TikTok. Okay, download TikTok from uptodown.com. So uptodown.com is a website we are going to be using to download TikTok. All right, so right now you see TikTok is over here. Now click on the first website and then come and then download this application over here. As you can see, it's around 38 MBs. For my case, I already have TikTok. I re-downloaded it. But if you want it, just come and click on get latest version, okay? And then the download will start and you'll be able to reinstall TikTok on your iOS or iPhone. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.